Alrighty, in this video, I'm excited. I finally got my Outlaw Flowmasters in to replace my old stock mufflers. I had the mufflers off for a couple months now. I've been waiting for the exhaust to come in. They was on back order, but they're in now, and I'm installing them. So I won't show you how to install them. It's pretty easy. You just put them on the hangers, and then you put the clamp on the end, bolt it up, you align it. There's not too much to it, so I won't bother you guys with that. But I will show you guys a before clip and a after clip.